Hello, hello. Okay, so I have made the decision that I'm going to be upfront about, with myself and with you, about why I'm doing LimeLight. I keep hearing people say that if you want to be successful at something, you need to say it out loud. Admit to it, share it, say it out loud. So here I go. I'll kind of lead up to my current why. Initially, my why was I love the products. I just love the products and I wanted to share them. And I wanted a discount. And then it kind of, and I have notes because I don't want to forget anything. Not that I'm going to drag this out because I've got soup and cornbread waiting on me. I wanted a discount. And then I thought, hey, this could be fun. This looks like fun. These people look like they're having fun. So I thought, okay, I'll do this. And so it was fun. And then I started making a little money. And I thought, well, I can supplement my income with this. I can pay my property tax. I can pay for Christmas. I can pay my car insurance, homeowner's insurance. I can pay for things that I would normally save up for out of my regular income with these things, and just let that regular income keep paying for what the other things and then going into the bank account or investing. And then I began to realize there are people that are really making money with this. And some of these people that are doing this are making 6 and 7 figures. They're not sitting behind a desk 8 hours plus a day, 5 days a week. And that's kind of when it hit me. Could I really do this? I'm tired of sitting behind a desk 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. I have a good job. I've worked for the same company for 31 years. It's been really good to me. It's been really good for me. It's given me what I've needed. I'm ready for something different. You know, I get to volunteer. I get all sorts of opportunities through my employer. But I'm ready for a change. And I want to be able to travel to see my family for fun. Well, not that that's not fun. You know, I want to see the country, maybe the world. And people are doing this. And I want to be able to do this too and get out from behind the desk. I mean, maybe I still have to have a desk job part-time, but I'm getting closer to retirement and I can take this into retirement for me. And if I can retire early and then let this be my income, that's great. Maybe I don't have the way of living that I have now, but maybe I have a better way of living because I am going to kill it. So I am launching into recruitment mode. I'm going to try not to do a whole lot of that on my Facebook page, on my personal Facebook page. It will still be on my business page some, but part of it will be LinkedIn. Part of it will be with one-on-ones, parties. I'll touch on that. Social media, other things. I will not stop trying to recruit there because I want to offer this opportunity to anybody that thinks it could change their life, or they just need a change to change their life, to give them more income, or just get them out from behind a desk and get to meet more people. I've made friends with this. It's going to be a good thing for me. It's already been a good thing for me, but I want it to be a real thing for me. So I'm not about to quit my job. Don't think that. I can't do that yet. But at some point, I want this to be my sole income. And why do I have a low battery every time? So this is it. All right, let me look at this. So here's the other thing. I'm not afraid to fail, but I haven't failed, so I'm not going to fail. I will be successful with this. I may not have a 6-7 figure income with this, but I will if the good Lord wants me to. If this is His plan for me, this is what will happen. And I will be able to walk away from my day job sitting behind a desk, watching my hips grow wider and wider. I can get out and be active and help other people see that they can have a future with this, or just overcome a skin condition, overcome a makeup issue, just feel good about themselves. So if you're interested in joining my team, reach out to me. I'm going to post a link to my website. You can go to that website. That's my LimeLight by Alcone website. You can go to that website and not log in, just go to the website, and you don't have to look at any of the products, which I wish you would, but you don't have to commit to buying anything. But just hit the links to read about becoming a beauty guide. And you don't even have to talk to me about it if you don't want to get sucked in, which I'm not going to hassle anybody. But that will give you the opportunity to read what a beauty guide's responsibilities are, what their capabilities are, and what the whole compensation program is about. Well, you're not going to see that yet, but if you want to talk to me about the compensation program, let's talk. So this is it. This is my why. I want to be successful with LimeLight and not sit behind a desk for the rest of my working career or the rest of my life, whichever comes first. So thank you for listening. If you're interested, let me know. If you're interested and don't want to tell me that yet, go to my website. I'm going to post the link. All right, the soup and cornbread awaits. Y'all have a great Sunday. Thanks for listening, and I appreciate every one of you.